Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and today we are going to test the Eachine DVR03, the all-in-one FPV system with a built-in DVR that records 720p videos on Eachine E500 VTOL. This is going to be my first FPV on it, and it should be fun, I believe, but the only thing that worries me is that in order to basically power this DVR03, I had to put in a UBC, which is again a tiny UBC, and I'm powering it up with the same battery that I'm using, so the battery will power the FPV system as well. It makes the plane a bit nose heavy. I'm not sure how it's gonna behave, but hey, it's gonna be fun. Let's just test it and find out. Let me power it up and see how it goes. Now, the Eachine DVR03, as I mentioned, is an all-in-one FPV system with a built-in DVR, so you can actually record your footage in 720p. You can see the TF card is inserted right here. It's a micro TF card. Camera, video transmitter is all built in. And if you look at the back side, you have a microphone as well. Awesome, it records the sounds, which will be just air and winds only. Here we go. So far, so good. Flying straight and nice. I don't feel any CG issues. Just that it's a little bit more heavy now, but flies very well. Maintains its altitude if the throttle is right. Differential thrust is just amazing. Coming down, wobbly. So far so good. Are we coming or going? This color scheme just matches the skies here. I think we are coming. Yes, we are coming. We are going down. Come on up. You cannot crash now. Control it with the throttle. Rest the stabilization system will do the job.
It's like a bird.
It's doing very well. It's just wobbly, right?
Yeah, wobbly bird.
Wobble, 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 wobble. Now we are coming down, and we should try to land it properly, right?
Yeah, the jelly is wobbly. No. Yeah, like that.
Ah, too close. Yes, we landed. Yeah, it sees white because it's looking on top, you know. Come on, here, hold it and stand here and tell me when you lose the video, okay? You have video?
Yeah.
That's my co-pilot there. All right, here we go. Why my another motor doesn't work? Okay, here we go. Ready, Irish, to tell us what's happening?
Yeah.
And we have a car in the air.
Almost losing.
You have the video?
I lose.
You lost the video?
No, I have.
Now you have. Okay, one moment. When you lose the video, you tell me. No, don't turn your head. Just stay here, yes.
I lose the video.
Okay. And now?
Almost.
Turn left. Okay, just keep it here.
Now I have.
Now you have video. Okay, one moment. Now you will tell me if you have the video. Do you have the video?
Yeah, just a little blinking.
Little blinking now?
Yeah.
Still blinking?
Yeah.
How about now?
No.
Now it's fine?
Yeah.
It flies pretty good, right?
Yeah.
You see, it's hands-free, man.
Yeah.
It's hands-free thing.
Thanks.
You have video?
Almost losing.
Almost lose it? Uh-oh, that's not good. So we have a really crappy range on this DVR.
I do like this. It means I lose the video.
Say, now you will get dizzy. Woo! Now you're gonna go dizzy. Because I'm gonna do aerobatics now. We're gonna do loop-the-loop. Yoo-hoo! Ari, you cannot catch us now. Ah, almost shredded me.
Yeah, he's really...
Almost shredded me.
Obviously,
Irish, change time.
obviously he's going to have the worst part if he crashes.
Yeah, he's gonna suffer. We are flying some El Cheapos here. Irish, how do you stand? Come on. Quickly, quickly, because Baba's battery is running out. Hurry up. Baba's battery running out. No, the Baba's plane battery running out, not Baba's battery running out. Actually, my battery running out too. I'm getting old, man. I cannot even charge my batteries now in this age, right?
Nah, come on, man. You just started.
Really?
Yeah, man. You're in your prime, man. You're in your best. You have the experience and the youth.
And I almost killed you.
Yeah, I got you.
Love the look. Oh, he's coming back.
More. I hope don't confuse him with you because he will kill you.
I think he's trying to kill us.
Yeah.
He doesn't like the smaller things flying around. Landing time.
Okay. Okay.
Everything is fine, but you're looking in the skies, right? White screen?
How about now? Maybe it could be interference with my...
No, no. The first day we tried it, it was the same. Oh, now the video is coming back.
Maybe it's too small. I got you on that.
Hey, thanks for watching this video and thank you very much for your support towards my work. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for all the upcoming exciting new uploads.